The MainWP browser extension is available for all Chromium-based browsers in Firefox. We will cover the installation in Chrome, although the installation is almost identical across all browsers. Direct links to the browser extension are in the video description, but you can also search for the browser extension in the Chrome Web Store. Click the Add to Chrome button, then Add Extension. The browser extension is now installed. If you wish to see the browser extension icon and its badge count of available updates at all times, click the extensions icon and then pin the MainWP extension. Now let's continue the configuration on our MainWP dashboard. First, we have to create a REST API. Navigate to the REST API page and then open the Add API Keys page. Enter the desired description. For example, for browser extension. Don't save the key yet. The first piece of information we need is the dashboard URL, so let's copy and paste it. Next up are the consumer key and consumer secret. Click the Copy to Clipboard button next to the consumer key and paste it into the extension. Repeat the same for consumer secret. At this point, we need to save the key in our dashboard for the API key to become active. So let's click Save Settings and return to the extension. Mark the checkbox to verify that we've saved the key, and let's continue with the configuration. Select the frequency with which the extension will fetch new information from the dashboard. We will choose every hour, and then select which data you want the extension to sync. Finally, click the Save Settings button and wait a couple of seconds for the extension to perform the initial sync. Let's explore the functionality of the extension by opening it and clicking on the three-line menu. Settings opens the configuration menu that we just saw. The dashboard is a link to this extension homepage we're looking at now. Time Tracker, which integrates with the Time Tracker extension, and 3 more useful MainWP links. The browser extension's Time Tracker functionality requires the Time Tracker extension to be installed on your MainWP dashboard. We will have a link to a walkthrough video for the Time Tracker extension, which guides you through the installation and configuration of the extension. After the Time Tracker is installed and configured on the dashboard, you can easily start new Time Tracker tasks directly in the browser extension. If you have any existing tasks, they will be visible in this dropdown, and you will be able to continue tracking them here. We will choose New Tasks. Next steps are identical to the ones when starting a task on the dashboard, which is to select a client and its sites, select the bucket, and enter the title and description. Finally, click the Start Timer button. You will see that the timer has started. You can now click away and continue doing your work. Once you are finished, you open the browser extension again, and then open Time Tracker. Let's stop and submit the task and refresh the logs page. And there we have the task we just submitted. Each time the extension synchronizes according to set schedule, or when you manually sync it, you will receive a handy push notification from your browser.